how many kind of parent line? 3, yeah. Each vertical plane have yeah. So we call this the horizontal means yeah, and the front. Yeah, this and the profile this one. Yeah. Okay, great. You are so clever. So we keep this in mind. We just to know the how about this one, and you can from the field projection, so you can get to know this one is the H horizontal line. So this is the homework. You can know the homework how to finish your homework. Remember the rules. 如果是 H 平面的话，它的投影在哪个面上是斜线？在这个平面上，对。我们稍微回顾一下，如果它是这个面的平线呢，就是在这个面上它是斜线，其他两个都是垂直，平行那个投影轴的。OK, finish. You can repeat reading this animation in the PowerPoint. I show you. I give it to you in the WeChat group. Yeah. So remember the characteristics. Okay, we have taken maybe 7 minutes to do the reviews. So another kind of line we call in Chinese is 垂直线。OK, 垂直。In this PowerPoint we call that a normal line. We also have 3 kind of perpendicular line. The first one, this one is long line to H means what? Means this line. So you can imagination. So if this is the line, the perpendicular V plane, the same thing to the side plane or the wing plane. Yeah, this is the 2 points. And we know this is vertical and this is not vertical. So A 小写的 A 写到外面 and then you can have, you should be, remember that this one is wrong. It should be here. Right like this. Yeah, what have we? 我们介绍了这个规则，对不对？不可见的要放在这个括号里面，所以这个是写错了。
写错了。
对对对，是要这样写。OK, 这个 PPT 上面是写错了，你要记住是这个这样才是对的。我们讲过了，就是from this side, A is vertical, B is not vertical, 所以是 A 要写在这个括号那个里面，就是这样的。Yeah, and then just like this.
Yeah.
And then this is maybe finished. OK, I will 我后面再修改，反正就是记住这个是正确的。OK, this is correct. This 2 is wrong. You should remember which one is visible. 是在这个括号外面，所以我们就是说要像这样写，因为 A 点是可见的 ，B 点是可见的。好了，我们讲了3个面的，所以我们有3条直线，我们用中文来给大家解释一下，好吧？Okay, we call this a long line. We have 3 kind of long line. 垂直于 H 平面就是 this line. 垂直这个面 we call that 铅垂线。So maybe this Chinese a little bit difficult. 铅垂线。if you know 如果你看过施工现场有没有？就是它会有个东西掉下来，一个这条线就是重力线，它肯定是要垂直这个平面的，所以那个东西掉下来那根线，在中文里面我们就叫做铅垂，它就像一个铅块一样。对呀，所以我们 call this line 铅垂线，所以它的立面图就是这样的，我们再说一遍。One time, keep it in mind. 所以它的特点就是 if this line is vertical to h-plane, means the h-plane the projection is 1 point. Okay. AB 寄局为一点 so AB 一点 okay. So maybe this term is 一点 1 point. So this line and this line is perpendicular to the folding line. This is the Chinese means. Okay. So 垂直于 the front. 垂直于 V 平面这个平面的时候 ，we call that 是正垂线。
正垂线。
对。如果我跟你 face to face 这样站着，在中文里面是叫做正面面对你，正面。所以 this means 正 means 就是 you just on your front。In Chinese 正就是 in your front， 所以它的中文就是叫做正垂线。OK。然后这个是铅垂线，正垂线的时候就是 OK a line to this side show you， 所以它垂直这个面，所以这个面就集聚为一点，集聚为一点。另外两条线都会垂直于它的投影轴，所以 this line CV and C 两撇 C D 两撇 P vertical to this line vertical perpendicular to this line just like the characteristic this rule， 在 V 平面上的投影寄居为一点 ，and this perpendicular to the OX and C and 两撇 D 两撇 perpendicular to the OZ。Okay. So the third one， 侧垂线。This side， 如果我站在这里，我的这个边上，我这边。在中文里面叫做侧面，就是 means side， 所以它的中文的叫做侧垂线。OK means 垂直于侧面，所以在这个里面 I from these figures, you please tell me which line is the true length. True length means the same length equal to the line in the 3D space. You just to remember this is 这是一个平行四边形，是不是？这是一个四边形，加上 this line should equal to this line, this line should equal to this line. So this line AB is this one, this black one should equal to this red one. 所以我们从铅垂线，我们从这个 perpendicular line 当中 ，we can find the true length very easy because this projection is equal, the length of projection is equal to the true length of AB. Remember? And I will show, and in the formula class, we also know that 在 parallel lines, we can find the true length. 能发现增长是不是一样的？再看一下这个，记住这两点，这个是 parallel line， 对不对？这个是平行线。刚是垂线，所以。So 在平行线当中，我们现在讲的是垂线嘛，上节课讲的平行线，所以 this line A B, so this line is the true length. Easy to understand, because this is the 四边形 so this line should equal to this line. So we can, 所以告诉大家，平行线和铅垂线和平行线和垂线 parallel line and the perpendicular lines, we can get the true length and the true angle only from this projection view. Understand? Okay. If you have the projection view, you can know, okay, this is the true length. This is beta, this is gamma. But if this one is not perpendicular 它既不是平行线，也不是垂线的时候 ，the projection of this line is not equal to this line, and this angle not equal to this angle because it's a projection. You know, you have a projection. Maybe you can longer than A and B. You maybe shorten because the projection is not special. So remember. Okay, so keep this in mind. We have two special lines. We can get the trueness and the true angle. Trueness and true angle. 真长 and 真角. So please tell me the angle of AB to this vertical. How about the angle? The angle of the how many degree? This angle is 19. Yeah, only have 19. And this angle to this plane and the angle to this plane is 0 because it is vertical. Okay. So we have finished the two kind of lines. The last one called the oblique is a common line, means inclined line, means this line is inclined to 3-group projection. So所以这个就是 is common. So projection views like this. This line is not equal this line. So the lines of the projection to the inclined line is shortened by the projection. It's not the equal. No, in this view projection, no trueness, no true angle. So please have some example. We have a building here. So please tell me just the position of A, B, C, D, and D, E in the space. A, B, C, D, and D, E. So please tell me. So these three lines also belong to the spatial lines. So please tell me. AB is one line. AB is this is a horizontal plane, and this AB is just like okay, it's not. So AB is one line. Perpendicular line. Yeah, 垂直线，对不对？什么垂直线 ？H 面的垂直线。So perpendicular to the H plane. So this is AB. So CD, this is CD is just is
front.
Yeah, front line. Right. Yeah, it's front line. So DE is horizontal line. Yeah, both horizontal line. And also is perpendicular to V plane. Yeah, true. Perfect. So AB also is parallel to this plane. Yeah. So this picture shows you that in our building drawings, spatial line is very, very common. Usually to use to draw a building, a road, or bridge. Yeah. So just the reason why we keep remember the projection of the three kind of vertical line, perpendicular, three kind of parallel lines. You should remember those three projection in your mind. Long line, and then front line. Okay, so this is the summarize of three kind of projection, three kind of line projection. The first one, 平行线. We have three kind of 平行线. Horizontal line, front line, and profile line. And we also have the perpendicular, three kind of perpendicular. Perpendicular to the H plane, perpendicular to the V plane, perpendicular to the W plane. If the perpendicular to which plane means the projection of this line is accumulated to one point in this plane. So H point view plane means this is perpendicular to the H plane because the projection of the H is at one point. So the same thing to the another two. Oblique line inclined to any kind of line. This line we call it in Chinese 斜线. So 斜线 means 斜的意思 means just like this side you have an angle, but not an angle not 90 degrees, not 180. degree. Just the angle is between. This angle is 0到180度。This is the 斜的意思，斜。Okay. So this homework for the formal class. The fifth part in this in the for the line. This shows the location of the point on the lines. Please remember the point drawing point projection line. We call that we have a point projection line.点的投影规律，点的投影规律。We use 点的投影规律 to finish your homework, to finish the point on the line or not on the line. Keep this line, remember I will show you, because we repeat a lot of time. We call that the method, point projection line. Okay, 如果一个点在这条直线上 ，okay, we have this yellow one. Yellow point on the AB, this line. So please tell me, the projection of the C should on this line, right? Should on this line, right? Should on this line, right? If this point is the point line in a line, so the point projection should also in the projection of the line. Remember? Show you. If the point on the AB, so the point projection on H plane should also on the projection of the AB on the H plane. The same thing to the side plane. Also, this line, this point should be on the projection of the wing side, wing plane. The same thing to the vertical plane. So, if you find the point is in three kind of lines and also in the projection lines. So means this point should in the line. 所以你就判断这个点是不是 on a line. Only from the three real projection, the point should be on the projection. 所以就是只要从三面投影当中。这个点都在它的这个投影线上，反过来推，这个点就会在这个直线上。Okay, we call that this point projection line. We use it so many times. So today I will give a name to you. Keep in mind, if you how to draw a point projection. We have this line is 45 degrees. We have the V plane, H plane, and W plane. So you have C plus 1 comma and C. How to get the C plus 2 comma? Only to add a perpendicular line to here and perpendicular. These two lines should be perpendicular to this OX. And add a line here and extending this interaction here. This is 90 degrees. So you can get the C plus 2 comma. This we call the point projection view. So keep it in mind. If your this point have these rules, so means what? Means this point is belongs is a projection and means this point is belong to the A, B, and this line. So just like this, the projection of the point on line will be line on the projection of the line on the same view, and the projection line of the point of this point is aligned on the adjusted view. This means the projection line. Okay. So keep in mind, if you how to determine a point, if this point is in the line, how many views should I have to get the answer? How many views? 3. must 3. If, okay, show you. If this point C and C is in this projection here, means this point not on the line, because only have only 2 on the line. We should 3. Both all of the 3 projections should on the projection of the AB. Okay, this should be very important. 所以就是说，必须满足3个点的投影都在这一条线上面，才就像这个，必须这3个点通通都在它对应的这个 projection 上面，才能确定这个点是在这个上。很有可能这个 A 点，这个 C 点是不是可以往上移一点 ？Okay, if this C 点 moved up, move direction like this, means the projection here should be C, but the projection here, maybe this side, not on the line of projection, which means the C is not on the line. Yeah, remember? Okay. Okay, this is the 6th part, trace point. So if you have a line projection here, just like we have a trace point. Trace point means just like a point to have the interaction. We have the AB, this one in the 3D space. So, okay, if you extend the line here, extend this line. Extend this line, we have this one we call AB means what? 线段 have the 线段 means have a length. You can extend it to a straight line. 直线是没有长度的. So you can extend it here. The interaction to the H plane and the interaction to the vertical plane. You can see from the projection view. So you have the this one and this one. We call this the M. M1. M is the trace point to the H plane. The N point means the trace point on the V plane. How can get it on the just to follow it into a 2D plane? We have 2D projection. So okay. So this should be a 平行四边形. This parallel. This is also the trace point. Show you. This the most important one is the seventh, the number 7, true length and the true angle. 这节课我们最重要的点就是这一个了。这个内容是我们，也就是我们的作业14页的作业的内容，所以我们今天要学会这个方法怎么取。We say that we have 2 kind of spatial lines. 2 kind of spatial lines we don't need to get the true line, true length and the true angle, because we can get the true length and the true angle from the view projection. 所以对于2种特殊的直线的时候，我们是不需要去求它的增长。But for the inclined line, 对于斜线来讲 how can get the true length and the true angle for the inclined line? Do you have any imagination to how can get the true length only from the through view projection to find the true length and the true angle? So this is I call this one true length and the true angle of the oblique line with the plane of the projection. Okay, so with the plane of the projection, we can get the true length and the true angle. 增长 and you have learned in your high school, yeah. You have learned we call this in Chinese 直角三角形 we call it 勾股定理. You have learned that this one. If you have a rectangle, yeah, this is 90 degrees. So the So the AC equal what? Yeah, that's right. So keep this in mind. This is the 直角三角形的勾股定理。So if you find the 直角三角形，所以你就可以得到它的这个 AC 的长度。因此，在这里说的叫斜线 line cannot show the length and the true angle with the projection view. Keep this in mind. We can construct three right angles. We call that three right angle triangles to solve the problem. 他说我们要用到的就是这个叫 right angle triangles 直角三角形的这样一个勾股定理来解决这个问题。所以说怎么样去解决这个问题呢？我们用的就是这个勾三股四旋股定理，叫 trigonometric theory to solve the problems. We call this one, we call it in Chinese 勾股定理，就是这个用这个方法来解决斜线的它的增长和增角。Okay. From this picture, we show you how to get the true length and the true angle. If you have a line here, you have a three-way projection. This line is which line? Is oblique line, yeah. It's because it is inclined in three kind of projection. So this length AB is not equal to this one. So if you want to get the AB length, the method is you should you should draw a right angle triangle to get the length. You know this view projection here and this line. If you move this line here to here, yeah. So this angle is 90 degrees. That's right, because the projection is vertical to is perpendicular to this line because the projection line is 90 degrees. So you move this AB projection on VH plane, do here. So you do here. But you have the rectangle angle just like this. Just like this is AB. So if this length you can get. So how about the distance? This is the key point. Okay. Please remember this. You add a 平行线 parallel 加一个平行线 here， 加一个平行线 here， 对。现在大家明白吗？怎么做？要怎么求它的这个增长呢？这是一条一般直线。Okay, this is a common line. So if you want to know the AB length, you should add a rectangle triangle， 加一个直角三角形。所以你直接把这个点延长到这条线来，因为这是一个平行面，这个面是平行的，所以这个角必须是90度。Okay, so this angle is alpha. This length is the true length. This side, this length is equal to AB. So the only thing we don't have is the length of the B and this point. Yeah. The same thing, you can add we have three kind of method to get the true length.
Alpha, beta, gamma.
Yeah, alpha, beta, and gamma. We have three right angle triangles. Just like the rules, we call the rules in English. Induce a line from the end of a line perpendicular to the projection on the view, and another line through another end, and parallel to the projection of the line on the same view. We can construct a right angle triangle. This one. A, B, C here. So we have 4 factors. That's the trueness. This is the inclined length side. And the length on view, this length on view AB on the right angle side. And the correlation difference, means coordinate difference means what? Means this distance. Distance is coordinate difference, another right angle side, and the true angle, alpha, beta, and gamma. If given 2, we can determine another 2. Which one is we already knows from the 3-view projection. AC, we have seen this triangle. This is a right side angle. This angle is 90 degrees. So this line should equal to AB. Yeah. 所以哪一条边是一致的？这条边就等于这条边。OK。所以我们想要知道的是这个长度 BC 等于多少？You have any idea about how about the ABC? BC means what? The length of BC is equal to the z position of B minus z position of A. 所以 BC 这个长度等于什么 ？Z position 减去 A position. Okay, we use first one we use H plane to get the true